Hello everyone, my name is Philippe Antoine and I will be trying to do some live coding on the Suricata software, open source software. So what will we do today? We will look into this pull request about JSON schema to validate Suricata JSON output. So I really do not know much about JSON schema. I guess it's a bit kind of like a document type definition for XML, DTD. So if we look at the current pull request, we see a schema.json file which basically describes the Suricata JSON output. So we've got an event type key where the value type is string and which is not optional, and so on and so forth. And so there is this current pull request which passes CI, but which does not fail on unknown properties, so it's kind of a subset of the current Suricata JSON output, and we would like it to be extensive. Okay, maybe I will just be checking that the live coding is working. It looks like it. I will post it. So where should I post it? Off topic. Okay, so let's take shell. I don't know if it's big enough. I will grow it a bit. And let's start by rebuilding Suricata with 4 cores. Okay, so I do not have the right environment there. Yeah, I restarted Suricata. So I've got some environment variable using address sanitizer mostly. And now let's build it again. And let's have another bash for Suricata verify repository. So Suricata verify is another repository for testing Suricata. Let's be in master there. Let's stash the changes I add. I don't think they are relevant. Let's update. And now let's have another bash. So let's have another bash for Suricata verify. So Suricata verify is another repository for testing Suricata. Let's be in master there. Let's stash the changes I add. I don't think they are relevant. Let's update. And now let's have another bash for Suricata verify. So Suricata verify is another repository for testing Suricata. Let's be in master there. Let's update. And let's rebuild one time with more docs. Okay, skip the make command. Okay, so this is pull request 576. I always misspell checkout. What is it called? GitHub CI JSON schema. Let's keep it that way, v3 for me. Okay, we are building it, and then we will run Suricata verify on maybe just one test. I have one test in mind, HTTP range. Do I have if .json here? Yeah. Let's take a look, and we have content range, which I guess is not part of the JSON schema yet, so it should fail with additional properties. That's what we want. Oh yeah, I have some more C flags set, which gets us a lot of warning. So it's this C flag implicit in conversion, so it's work in progress to fix these warnings, but there are quite some of them already. Okay, so let's try Suricata verify. It works with Python 3. Okay, JSON schema module not found, so I guess I have to install it. Let's try pip. It looked like it worked, and no, it did not work. JSON schema module not found. Yes. So why is it not found? Let's open the Suricata verify main thing. What is going on there? Okay, I guess that's one thing I do not like about Python 3. Files would be validated. Oh, looks like there is an if missing. Up. Let's run it again. Okay, I do not have the warning anymore. I fixed one thing. Let's make a commit about this. So commit message is some tema 2 points. I don't know how we say 2 points in English. And the message. Okay. Small commit. Let's keep it this way for now. And now coming back to additional properties. Okay, so this should be part of schema.json. So I guess I should just add it in the end. So big G to go in the end. Looks nice. Let's try to run it. Yeah, failed invalid JSON schema. So yeah, did I make a wrong modification? So okay, there is a check if which is called I guess I should log this somewhere. Let's just print it for now. How does it goes? Print an array in Python. Okay. So Python 3 check if, yeah, right, auto completion to check that we are right. Minus q quiet should not be useful, I guess. Okay, that's great. We've got the list of additional properties which were unexpected. Okay, so now that we know we can remove the modification in run, and I guess this deserves its own commit. JSON schema forbid additional properties. Ooh. And okay, let's see where we have some TX ID. Okay, let's do this and use bash to look for it. So file info, or just a regular basic event. So this looks like it. So I guess maybe do not I have VS Code? What is this? I guess it will look nicer. So did I misclick? Apparently I did. Okay. Okay, so maybe up. So do we have some order about it? Not sure. So where does the text ID come? It comes after proto. Do we have proto? Yeah. So let's copy paste. Not copy. Copy. Paste. Okay. Text ID. And let's get this out of here. Let's run check if again, and now text ID looks good. Okay, so stats was not expected. Okay, stats will be complex. Let's see flow and TCP first, maybe. TCP. What is TCP? Yeah. Is it? Okay, yeah. TCP and flow are two structures. Okay, so let's get back to our. Okay, so I guess it will start like this, and then we should close it. Okay, and let's have some properties. TCP flags looks nice. Type strings. TCP. Okay, let's try this one. Oh, expecting property name enclosed in double quotes. Oh, maybe this is it. Yeah. Okay, so apparently there will be some recursion, so we checked first level and then we'll check the next level. So let's create some first level thing for this. So what do we have in the flow? Up packets to server, which is integer, and stats. Up. So okay, beginning with uptime, which is an integer. Okay. Okay. So why do we not fail now? I guess we already have something better, something more complete, which is the point, but not complete for the TCP object. So we have for flow packets to server, packets to client. Let's try this. Okay, let's say it's a string. Five is not of type string. Okay, this is not such a good error message because we do not know where the 5 comes from. Oh, I see. Additional properties for everyone. So can we have additional properties recursively? Blah blah blah. Okay, let's look. Addition. No. That's by default. Okay, so the alternative is to traverse your schema programmatically with JSON schema traverse and assign. Okay, do we have a gist to do that? What is JSON schema traverse? Looks like this. npm. Oh. Okay. Let's leave it there for now. Let's look for objects with no typo. 6 matches. Okay, so far. So like that. and I am adding 3 objects myself. Okay, and let's running again. Oh, so now we kind of see what we would like to automate. We've got the list of maybe I need a better internet quality, but let's finish this first. Let's add the cry emoji. Soap emoji to this. Okay, so additional properties are not allowed. Where do we get this from? Check if. And for errors. Validate from JSON schema. Okay, let's do some prints with my favorite lol keyword. Okay, that looks failed validating. Okay, that looks nice. That looks like I do not want this line, but this line. So JSON schema validation error. Documentation, okay. Context cause, looks nice. Let's try this one. Nope. Cause. Oh. Instance, JSON path. Okay, not what we want. We will get to it. It's not the message. I'm pretty sure it's not the message. JSON path. Okay, that's not. That's better. That's not complete. Path schema. validator. Yeah. Okay, so I guess I want some more Python knowledge. Python debug print structure. I want pprints. Oh, let's try this. Pprint vars. Okay. Cause known context. Okay, so there is, I guess, some stringing thing going on. Okay, so maybe the solution is just to get the third line of the string. Up. String. Yeah. Yeah, the string of representation of an error combines for easier debugging. Okay. So okay, let's have quick and dirty. Wait. How does this look? Grep. Pprint not remove. Okay. Yoo-hoo. Okay, but I missed the first one. So let's save. quick and dirty, and more. Yeah. Maybe. How does this look? Content ranged. Okay, so let's maybe make some small work in progress commit. Schema, JSON schema, yeah, schema extends it with. Okay. And do we have the content range type in this error? Where was it? Okay. One instance. No, we don't. So let's try string for everything and then fallback. I'm looking if I can have some better definition. My video. This is my first time, so obviously video statistics, yeah, don't care if people watch it. Okay, everyone can see it. Okay, so maybe next time I will just record it and upload it later with better quality. Okay, so let's say, what do we get? we get this. Okay, let's add lol to debug it. This is temporary. Up. So let's split and take 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Split 4. Okay. Okay. Now we need to somehow process this file to modify schema.json and then do it on more Suricata verified tests, and we will have automated it. That was the initial challenge. Okay, so modify schema.json. Defining the properties. Going deeper. Okay. So schema properties. Let's look. So lol.text, I should go in properties HTTP and add one property. So stringing should be pretty easy. The question is where to add this. Should I run my dummy schema.json parser? Okay. What do we have in JSON schema? What is the API? We have import and export stuff where we add a property. That's what we want. Okay, let's look in the code. Let's load. Import validate. Yeah. I want more doc. I bet this does some import of the schema.json when it does the validate, but I don't know if it's called import or whatever. Okay. So instance. Okay. Schema. So yeah, we want the schema. Outputter. Okay, so is this just JSON.load? JSON. Let's try import JSON. JSON.load. verify tests. Where are we? No, that is just schema.json. Oh. Let's open a file. It's not in the tests, it's in the root directory. JSON.load. Yoo-hoo. Oh. Let's start again. Up. We open the file. We load the file. Oh no. Let's do it again. I open the file. I assign it. And now hey. Whoa. So let's say something like this. Okay, we getting to what we want. So we want some dictionary. Okay, so it's like this. Dict b type equal string. And now looks like what we want. And now we want to output it. Okay, Python JSON dump. Python JSON dump to file. Yeah, writing JSON to a file. Up. Okay. Yeah. data. Okay. JSON dumps. Okay, let's try to do this. So let's do a new Python script. Okay, new import JSON, and let's see what we did. We open schema.json, we load it, we create the dictionary type, and then we set this. So this is to do, and this is to do. Okay, to do one, to do two, and so it's schema, and we dump it. Okay, so import this. So let's say this will argv1, this dot argv2. Okay, lol.py. So we say http content range, whoa, so what did happen? Let's do this. Okay, let's bring this. Content range. Okay, so JSON.dumps. What does it do? Cannot get my JSON. Let's print JSON dumps. Okay. And let's put it in schema.json. Okay, let's put it somewhere else. Oh, we are missing opening and closing stuff. So okay, so it looks like just an indent problem. So how does it go? Like this. It looks good. It looks perfect. Okay, so let's do some more assembling now. Print. Oh, let's try. Let's try not this, let's try to open a file. So red lines. So that's bit one. This should be it. And this should be dot split, but about single quotes. And so we should be 0, 1, 2, 3. Quick and dirty. Let's remove the two first line. Okay. We added it. And now let's just say let's run again. Okay, so is this better? And it looks good. Okay, so we've got something to add properties. And now we go back to checking. Long time. So we've got multiple additional properties. Okay, so content range is an object, and as object we should have properties. Let's do this manually first, and it has row as property. Sorry. Okay. So what? Oh yeah. Is this one missing? Oh no. It's not missing, it's just like this. Okay. Okay, so we got a bunch of other properties. So I only put in one. So this was not nice, so this happens here. A, B, let's get this. What do we have? So up. Okay. So I should just take one item out of 2 on this list. The Python thing. Python list 1 item out of 2. Even step. Oh yeah. Is this? Oh, this is nice. So up, let's print it like that. Okay, so lots of figs now. We see the beginning to feel the power of automation that we want to achieve. And so yeah, this is new props for n equal look split comma in range. I guess this is not the most Pythonic idiomatic stuff. Okay, let's try this. And now we getting something big. Looks nice. And run again the check. Oh, and side start were not added to the right content range stuff. Okay, so okay. Okay, so not of type, but is okay, so let's print is enough of type string, but where is it? Oh yeah, start. Okay, let's do it a bit by hand now. Gaps. Do we have a type bool? Boolean. Okay. File info properties start. So integer SID and then additional properties. So what is the SID look like? So we have an array type. How does it work? Type number. Where is our SID? Let's try like that. Okay. Additional properties. TCP. Okay, so check if this one. Okay, let's add it to TCP. Okay, and check now. So yeah. Alerted is a boolean. Bytes to server is an integer. To client as well. Age as well. Many integers. Sin true boolean. TCP. Oh. Push boolean fin. So let's remove the additional properties from the stats from now. Okay. Type flow is not a string. Yeah. Let's try to get something working. A player is not a string. Memuse memcap is integers. Memuse FTP. Okay, let's remove it. TCP. Let's remove it. File store. Just remove it one by one, I guess. Decoder. Defrag. And format. Okay. Okay, yeah. Okay. So now let's commit schema.json again. It will be fixed up with the last commit, and let's replace this with true for now, and let's run the whole Suricata verify. So let's rebase on master, stash if you want commit, stash pop, so let's try to get the whole statistics on additional properties next. Okay, but before that, we see that we already failed on bug 130. So how does it work? Bug 130. Oh, yeah. Yes. Okay, so I should run this. And I guess there were additional properties in bug 130. Coming soon. Okay, so everything looks okay now, so maybe I will stop this first streaming session now. Let's do some kind of conclusion. So we went into JSON schema. We added the condition not to print the warning. We kind of already extended the good deal the JSON schema present. There is still more work to do, so the point is to do it with the additional properties true and get it. So the automation should be to run check if to extract the additional properties, and then my lol Python script and put JSON schema in it. So we will next try to do first it with the statistics to have some thing complete for my HTTP range test. And then we will try on the other Suricata verify test, and that's where the automation will help us as well. So thank you if you watched, and I will just stop now.